Good morning, all of you. Can you all see me? We start exactly at 10 o'clock. Good morning, Kushagra Sharma, Shiv, Harish Kumar, Bijender. Oh, Bijender? Is it the same Bijender that we know and we have interacted with? Harshita, Seema Mishra. Okay, Seema Mishra, I think I've interacted with you. Tushar Rathi, okay, I know you too. Ravi Kumar, Upamanya, Bijender, yes, sir, okay. So Nikita, so we know each other mostly. Good morning, glad you remember. Of course I do. It's just that I don't see you face to face, but those who interact with me definitely, I do remember. RK, Yogesh, Nikita Goyal, Nikita, okay, Ankita Mishra, Ankita, you also familiar. Ankita, Abhishek, Nasit Hassan, good morning, good morning. Good morning all of you. Rishabh Singh, Ayush Kotecha. So, today incidentally happens to be World Environment Day also. So I do not know how much of environmental studies we'll cover, but yes, our first unit for test also is geography related to environment and oceanography. Biography environment. So quite a coincidence here. Chandrashikha Tiwari, Suman Nayak, welcome all of you. Welcome. CP Pandey, आपने admission finally ले ही लिया. Okay, you or your brother has been very inquisitive about many things. आप दोनों भाई हो शायद, CP Pandey. Okay, anyways, let's get Preksha Rathore. I think your name is familiar too. Yes, nice to see you, Abhishek. Jaskirat Sidhu. Jaskirat, welcome. I think we will have a mix of students here. Some of you who have been my students, and others who probably have done your foundation course elsewhere, you have joined me here. That's okay. Chetan Devender, Dhanush, Prateek. Okay, Dhanush, yes, happy to see you too. Though I cannot see you, but it's like, of course, I can read. Yes, Chandrashikha. So today's session is primarily about a bit of orientation about how we'll go about doing the things. Some of you have been very curious, sir, kaise karenge, how will we go about? Allow me a second. I think it's getting a bit dark here. Just allow me. Let me switch on. Okay. Yes, it's brighter now. Okay, you have taken enrichment program. Okay, Harish, not a problem. In fact, I suggested this, that those who are not sure about writing and answer writing, not sure about your mains preparation, a good choice can be, rather than club everything together, you can take enrichment classes now and maybe postpone your tests for the next module. I suggested that to you because hota hai ki dekho pehle kya tha na, you would offer the entire package as one package, okay, take all or leave all. But then I realized that it is not something students are comfortable with. Okay, most students are either trying to learn answer writing, and others probably know answer writing and won't start off with tests. So we have given you this unbundled program. You can join the enrichment classes along with the tests. You can join only enrichment classes, or you can join tests alone. So tests alone, I hope, are those who had been part of enrichment program in the last batch. जो अभी कुछ हद तक चल भी रहा है, खत्म नहीं हुआ है. So November 2019. So if you can all see my screen, okay, can you all see my whiteboard? Can you all see my whiteboard? Is it visible to all of you? Can you all see my whiteboard? Okay. So I'm in today's session. Some of you have just joined me. Okay. So let me explain what the objective is here. Okay. So it's like this. It's something like this. November 2019. Okay. 2019. This is June 2020, and then we have again November 2020. So some students had joined enrichment plus tests here, and some had joined only enrichment here. So those who have joined enrichment here, you can do your tests here. Here again, those who have joined both the programs together, and some have joined only enrichment. Okay, so if you have joined only enrichment, you can do your tests in November 2020. So here too we will offer enrichment plus tests. Some of you only enrichment, some of you only tests. So that's how the cycle will continue. Okay. So if you are not sure about answer writing, if you think you have a problem with managing the time aspects, then I said join only enrichment here. Okay, learn what we're discussing here, and then you can come into tests, okay, here. Or you can go by these together. So I think we have a mix. Malvika, you join us late. Okay, Malvika Sharma, I'm just explaining. Okay, today's session will be more about getting to know the program itself. So I said there are three types of students who have enrolled with us right now, and all of you are in this same group right now. Some of you have joined the enrichment classes along with the tests. Let me explain what these enrichment classes are first. Okay, now see what happens. I mean, let us be practical and realistic here. The foundation course that you have, invariably, just a minute. Yeah, the foundation courses that you have, the foundation course hai, in most cases, the foundation course runs for 4.5 months or goes up to 5 months. In the last batch, it was a bit tricky because we had the COVID lockdown and the rest. So it was very difficult to manage all the classes, but then even then we did manage. So it goes on for 4.5, 5 months. Your syllabus typically has 20 units, and if you add up all the topics of the units, on an average you have 25 to 30 topics. If you add up, okay, the subunits and the links for every unit, we approximately have 25 to 30 topics per unit on average. Even if I go modestly, say there are 20 topics here. So you have to cover 400, more than 400 topics. More than 400 topics, which I suggest if 4.5, 5 months mein, it is not possible to do justice to all type of topics. Isme kaisa hai? The topics mein, there are some topics which are very basic. There are some topics very, very important and linked to basics. Some topics are entirely current affairs based. Some topics are very advanced topics, and some topics, okay, they are random. You do not know when they can be asked, how they can be asked. Okay, so when we are doing a basic foundation course, what we try to do is cover the basic topics, cover some of the very important topics, and we also try covering some of the current affair based. But not all. We do some of it here, and we also cover some of these here. The random topics को हम पूरा छोड़ देते हैं. Random topics like, okay, they're asked some questions related to, say India's water board and what are its reforms required. Okay, they've asked questions related to GST. एक बार पूछ दिया था, random हो गया. They've asked questions related to topics of more economy, okay, then geography hardcore. एक बार पूछ दिया था, last they've asked something on what are those areas where languages, okay, so it is geography, but it's still random. Random topics, I suggest you should not be doing at all in the foundation course. Foundation course में आपका बेटा base बन रहा है. A lot of people have an issue, sir, why don't I finish the course in foundation? Finish the course foundation में 4.5, 5 months में बेटा कोई नहीं कर पाएगा. And if you are doing it, you are going to only run through the topics. What lot of students do is they take the notes और अपने आप पढ़ते हैं. That's okay, that's your choice. But classroom setting में, sitting in a classroom with a teacher to cover all 400 topics is not possible, and it is not wise also. Because what is happening here is यहाँ पर आपका conceptual base बन रहा है. You are just developing the conceptual base. Some of you are part of the geographical thought topic. You realize there's a lot of discussions related to postmodernism. There are a lot of topics related to discussions of the new culture term. If you cover everything in the foundation course, you cannot keep pace with it. That's why we are selective. 400 topics mein se, we try covering around 300 plus topics in the regular class. And the remaining topics, as we are developing, as we are enriching ourselves. For some of you who have not cleared the prelims at all, it makes no sense getting into very advanced topics immediately. और random आपका basic फंसा हुआ है और आप random topics कर रहे हो. So this is a type of a balance that we try to do. So what we do now is that we have a foundation course, okay, plus now we have the enrichment course. Enrichment course approximately requires around 30 to 40 classes. अगर मैं इसको ऐड कर देता हूं फाउंडेशन कोर्स में, okay, foundation course which is of 5 months, now the foundation course will not be less than 6.5 months, because 40 classes का मतलब है you cannot take class every day. Effectively in a month you can take about 20 odd classes. आपका आराम से foundation course will now become a course of 6 or 7 months. It makes no sense. And not everybody would like to go ahead with the enrichment. That is why we have broken up the two courses. So foundation course hai aapka, and now enrichment. And another aspect of the preparation, jo aapko third level mein ghusna hai, which is the test series. If a foundation is not good, and if your content, okay, enrichment is not good enough, aap test mein kaise aoge? If you do not know how to write answers, answer writing beta apne aap mein, it is a different type of a skill. If you see good answers, if you practice good answers, if you have done some bit of work in a room, only then can you come in a test series. Randomly giving test will not help you. Randomly appearing for questions will not help you. So the enrichment program is primarily about, okay, those additional coverage. So we are covering some advanced, very advanced topics. We're covering some current affair related topics. We try and touch on some random topics also. ये सारा discussions यहाँ हो जाता है. And you will not ask me basic topics here. Okay, somebody doesn't understand. Okay, what is channel morphology? I can't discuss everything here. Very important topics में some topics of thought. I can't discuss all of them here. Okay, did you all understand what is the design of the program now? Are you all with me? Oh, Harish says it is lagging. Hello, are you all able to hear me clearly? Seema, he says yes. Okay, Vijender says yes. Chandrashikha, okay. I hope it's fine with all of you. देखो बेटा technology है. Again, just just a caution here. It's technology, and not everything is in our hand. Okay, आपके पास ज़्यादा choice नहीं है. If not study at all, then you can do nothing. Okay, so we'll have to manage some of this, and I will repeat whatever I teach. Okay, yes, it will be slightly an issue, but you'll get used to it, Harshita, eventually. And I'm sure in a matter of few months itself, our infrastructure will rapidly ramp up. अब तो Facebook भी आ गया, Amazon भी आ गया. Are you aware of all the investments coming in for Jio? Okay, investments coming in for Airtel, for Vodafone. So I'm sure they will ramp up all of this hugely for the benefit of the users, consumers. Pricing क्या होगा वो अलग बात है. Okay, so थोड़ा patience रखना. The technology part can get tricky, and that is why we are giving you recorded sessions also. आपको app में मिल जाएगा, not directly on your laptop. So right now our recording sessions are enabled only for Android. अगर आप iPhone use कर रहे हैं, then you might have a problem. Okay, for iPhone I will have to develop the app by doing it. Okay, probably towards the end of this month. So I think by the time your course gets over, I should have the iOS up and ready also. Because most of these systems, they do not offer iOS. बहुत महंगा होता है iOS. ठीक है? So slowly, gradually. So please be patient with this. Okay. So just repeating for some of you who joined me late, your admissions numbers जो हैं, you are approximately 10 students short who have not joined us yet. ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. We will ultimately manage here. So what I was explaining is what is the scope of the enrichment program. Okay, and and why we need an enrichment program. बहुत बड़ा problem होता है ना, students they come and ask me, so should we join enrichment or not? एक तो problem है कि मैं ही course दे रहा हूँ, I am the person who is teaching, I am the person who is designing the course, and then you come and ask me, should we join or not? तो इसमें मैं क्या बोलूँगा? I keep quiet, say बेटा आप लोग की मर्जी है, आप देखो. The next question is, where do we join? Okay, where do you join? Again, I am a bit embarrassed. कि बेटा मैं ही तो बना रहा हूँ course. Where do you join? कहाँ जाओगे बताओ? Okay, so ठीक है. I mean, it's ultimately a marketplace for some of you. It's your choice who you want to join, okay, or not. But as a teacher, it's difficult for me to promote it like I'm promoting a program. It doesn't look nice. So now that you have joined me, now I'm explaining the rationale to you. The rationale is, beta, no matter what you do, आपका foundation course can never be enough for the examination. If you'd asked me this question maybe 7-8 years ago, 7-8 साल पहले पूछते ना, the enrichment program was always there in a different form, but it was not a must join. बच्चे फिर भी manage कर लेते थे. The questions were not tricky, the questions were not as probing, the questions were not as twisted. But up last 6 साल 7 साल देखोगे ना, the questions are increasingly getting more and more tricky. And this is the story for every optional. As in case of geography में, every optional, the questions are getting tricky. Be it PubAd, be it sociology, be it geography, be it political science. Anthropology में अभी last 2 साल से शुरू हो जाएगा. They have just started off doing that. So every, and GS में तो बहुत ज़्यादा है. A GS course without an enrichment and a test series which teaches you answer writing, बेटा आप test exam दे ही नहीं सकते हो. That's why I said, no, maybe 6, 7, 8 years ago, 1 year of preparation was enough. लेकिन आज के date में you require 2 years of preparation. 1 year where you do all the basic course and the foundation course. Foundation for optional, foundation for GS. Okay. And the second year, you do all the enrichment and the test series. So those who are given examination 2021 May, this is a very good time to ramp up your preparation. A very good time so that you can organize your preparation. Yes, Vijender will do that slowly, gradually. But बेटा होता है क्या ना, हर क्लास के पहले बताना मुश्किल है. Okay. Anyways, you'll have a lot of work to do. We'll do that. So I'm just justifying or telling you why the enrichment program, okay, you need and what are we covering. So your coverage of syllabus includes certain basic topics, certain very important topics, basic नहीं है but important है, current affairs based topics होते हैं और बहुत advanced topics भी होते हैं. Like one question they asked you something on monsoon forecasting. Monsoon forecasting partly current affairs से भी है और partly very advanced topic भी है. And the lot of random topics you do not know कहाँ से पूछेगा कब पूछेगा. So in the foundation course, F जो है foundation course, जो basic course है 4.5 months में हम उसमें basic करा देते हैं, some very important topics करा देते हैं, and a bit of current affairs we touch, and maybe in some cases I might touch some very advanced topics. But otherwise, these topics largely are the second level of training that you go through. And I was saying, the enrichment classes require around 30 to 40 classes. 30-40 classes clear चाहिए होता है आपको. Okay, actually sitting down with me and you're learning. Okay, and the foundation course अगर 4.5-5 महीने का है, 30-40 classes मतलब है you require at least 1.5 months more. So आपका course will run into probably 6.5-7 months का course बन जाएगा. So that's why we have broken this up. The foundation course, okay, you finish first, then you do enrichment. In the enrichment, you also learn answer writing. Answer writing is a science. It's a technique of writing things. And very importantly, answer writing within the amount of words given to you. Or words important है, the amount of space given to you. आपके पास 2 पेज है या 3 पेज है. Okay, with diagrams. So by now, a lot of you know this. I will give you a lot of model answers. So in the enrichment program, what all do we cover in the enrichment program? Okay, एक तो आपका, okay, you'll have classes which add content. Classes that add content into your understanding. ये additional part है. Okay, we are doing the advanced portions, we are doing the current affairs portions. You add content. Okay. Then in the enrichment class, you will be given lot of model answers, and you will be given assignments. Now, one thing I want to make clear is these assignments that I give you is not something I will check right now. Okay, checking shuru hoga once you have learned some bit of answer writing first. So, enrichment program does not include checking off your assignments. Once in a while, I might do it, but otherwise it's possible नहीं. आप सोचो ना, कि आप 200, 250, 300 बच्चे हो. If you start giving one answer, all of you, how much can I check beyond a point? That is why I give assignment. आप अपने आप लिखोगे. Write on your own. Write on your own, and then you will check this with the model answer. Okay, how does the model answer and the model answers? Let me repeat, all of you. Are you all attentive, listening to what I'm saying? Are you all attentive? Yeah? Okay. Now see, model answers are very, very high quality answers. See, what do you mean by model answer? Let me ask you first. What do you mean by model answer? Model answer का मतलब क्या होता है? A very high standard which you would like to achieve. In model answers, will you want me to give you substandard answer? कि हल्का फुल्का ऐसे लिख के आपके मुंह में मार दिया. And you guys have paid for a course, right? You guys have enrolled for a course जहाँ कि आप best सीख सको. When I'm teaching my child like how to live and how to lead a good life, what will I tell him? क्या बीच-बीच में झूठ बोलना ठीक है? ऐसे बोलूँगा क्या उसको मैं? बीच-बीच में चोरी करना ठीक बात है, कोई बात नहीं, कर देना बीच-बीच में. Or do I tell him all the values? I teach him all the ethics. I teach him all the niceties. I teach him to become perfect. And in time, I hope he realizes how to manage. So I say, model answers, I repeat, are very high quality answers. They're written by students who have been training with me for the last 1.5 years. Some of them have been with me for almost 2 years now. So 2-3 बच्चे ऐसे भी हैं who have qualified and who are improving their ranks. So the model answers written are not the regular type of answers. In fact, I'll suggest if once this course gets over and some of you are interested, please volunteer to join the team. Again, of course, for that type of work, you also get paid. But abhi nahi hai aapka. Okay, so the model answers are very high quality answers. And these very high quality answers, I know you cannot write in the exam conditions on your own. So karna kya hoga? Model answers you should be memorizing. Beta ratta maar lena aankh band kar. To achieve this type of quality, you require 1 year. इससे अच्छा नहीं है कि you are replicating it. किसी ने मेहनत किया है, आपको दे रहा है कि ये है और रट्टा मारो. If you memorize, okay, 15, 20, 30 answers, which are model answers, your own quality will ultimately improve. I'm sure there are some of you in this batch who have given the mains earlier. Do we have some of them in this batch right now who have given their main examination? We have. Maybe there are 4-5 of you. Amit has given. Okay, fine. Amit. Anybody else? Amrit Pal has given. Rishabh has given. Rishabh Ranjan and Rishabh Singh. Okay, Arjun Shivraj, Ravi Kumar, Akanksha Mishra. Akanksha, do I know you? Your name is familiar. Rajashekhar, Dhinash. Okay, no, Dina Dastagir. Okay. Rajashekhar, Divyani Vardia. Okay, I talked to you this morning, Divyani. Okay, welcome to join us. You are a bit concerned. So, beta, आप लोगों ने mains दिया हुआ है. You tell me now. In the main examination, okay, Nikita also. In the main examination, do you have time to think and write? क्या आपको question दिया कि आप बैठ कर सोचोगे मैं क्या लिखूंगा? Okay, how to write down, how to think. Do you have any time to think and write? Okay, Suman Kumari, do you have time to think and write? Rishabh says no. Nikita says no. My experience says no. Maybe you can write 1 or 2 answers सोच के. वो भी after all the other answers are done. Which means the answers literally have to be in your body, in your blood. Yes, it is reflex, Ravi. Absolutely correct. So करना क्या होगा? You'll have to have a bank of answers which you have memorized. ठीक है? So memorization of answers is very, very important. Memorization of answer is one of the key ingredients to writing a good answer. Okay, time management will go hourly if you sit down and think. Effectively, आपको 10 मार्क के आंसर के लिए you get less than 7 minutes to write down, and you must write approximately 100 odd words. So that type of time management possible नहीं है if you have not memorized the answers. No, जो है ना spontaneous answers and creativity, innovation, बेटा सब जाएगा तेल लाने examination pressure में, कुछ नहीं कर पाओगे आप. So my point here is, okay, that you will have assignments, okay, you will write your answers, but I will not check right now. What I will do is I will give you model answers on those questions. So मैंने आज question दे दिया, you'll go and practice on your own, कुछ पढ़ोगे, try करोगे, and tomorrow, okay, or maybe 1 or 2 days later, I'll give you a model answer. So model answer हम धीरे धीरे push करते रहेंगे as we are developing, and you can expect approximately 200, 250, 300 model answers across all topics. And with some of them, I am also trying to rewrite and enrich my bank eventually. Okay, so ये वाला है. You'll have to, okay, then you'll have to memorize. Then you must memorize the answers. Okay, memorize the answers, and then you must reproduce and also try to replicate the methods. And I am looking at you memorizing nothing less than 100, 200 answers. हम तो चाहेंगे पूरा बैंक आप याद करके जाओ. And that's why I'm saying it's a very nice time. Yes, they are handwritten. Bishop, ये एक problem था. We were looking at what students are reading and what students are the practicing. I found that a lot of students have model answers which are typed, which do not have semblance of time or limit. Diagram भी paste क्या होता है from the internet. So what I give as a model answer, actually model answer है ही नहीं. That's just a cut and paste from different type of articles आपको दे दिया है. But answer writing is a very, very tough exercise. आपको एक बार लिखना है. Second, if you will find lot of answers I give you are second, third, fourth drafts. So this is a very time intensive work. Not simply एक दिन में at the maximum we can check not more than 6-7 answers. हम check कर सकते हैं. तो आप लिखोगे कैसे आप? So that's why we decided that when we give model answers, we will give handwritten answers which are within the word limit and very importantly within the page limit. Okay. So yes, we'll come to that, Ranjan. We'll come to that, Ranjan. So this is the idea. You will memorize handwritten ones and then you will reproduce. What I mean by reproduce is, okay, Bora, you asked me this question. What reproduce? The matlab hai, in the tests that we have, lot of questions I will ask you directly from what I've given you. You'll wonder, sir, ऐसा देके फायदा क्या है? देखना फायदा है कि नहीं? आपको मैंने पढ़ा दिया, आपको मॉडल आंसर दे दिया, okay? और मैंने वही क्वेश्चन पूछा, ट्रस्ट में फिर भी आप लिख नहीं पाओगे. So many of the answers you will reproduce in the tests. And you will replicate the methods also. There will be some questions which are surprise questions. जो आपने सीखा है from answer writing and memorizing, you will try to replicate that. You will try to use the same techniques to write another answer. And slowly, gradually, by the time our course winds up in maybe 2.5, 3 months, I hope you would have all got these techniques right. Did you understand the purpose of the enrichment program now? That is why I'm saying that if you are not sure about your tests, if you are not sure about the writing skills, so what you can do is, this is what I was explaining. So now we have unbundled the program. Okay, you can join enrichment. You can join enrichment and tests together, or you can join enrichment only, and in the next module, I'll have another module November में करेंगे हम. In the next module, you can join only tests. तो अभी आप क्या है? answer yaad kar lo, make your content comprehensive, you have by-hearted the answers, you know the technique, you have read the book, now directly jump towards the tests. Okay. And those who have joined only enrichment in 2019, I'm sure there are some of you in this batch here. Okay. You can now take up the tests in this session. So that is how we're trying to align your preparation. Okay. तो ज़्यादा burden ना पड़े. Now the challenge will be, यहाँ तक सब ठीक है all of you? यहाँ तक, is it okay? Okay. Abhishek Mishra and Abhishek Kumar and Rai, both of you have been part of the older enrichment program. Okay. Any questions you want to ask me? Okay. Ankit is also from the November batch. Okay, fine. Good, nice. You have learned something there. Now you will translate that into tests here. Okay. Anything you want to clarify with me on this? Explaining why do we need the enrichment program? Anybody else? Any clarifications you seek? Okay. Now listen. The challenge will be for those who are probably giving their main examination this year. Do we have some of the students enrolled here who are giving the main exam this year? So Harish Kumar, hopefully yes, you should clear your prelims also. I'm sure you will. Shrikant, Ayush, Ankita Mishra, Nico. Now for you, Malvika, Rajshekhar, okay, fine. Now listen. Ideally, you should have done all of this earlier. ये कायदे से last year हो जाना चाहिए था. But now you're racing against time. Okay. You are now trying to manage many things in whatever time that you have. So my suggestion will be, okay, that before the prelims are announced, आज तो dates आ जाएगा, but my guess continues to be कि prelims शायद last July या फिर अगस्त में ही होगा. So you have approximately 1 month more to prepare for the mains. I'm just guessing. Within this time, it's possible to finish off, okay, topics for 2 tests. 2 tests का मतलब है approximately 5 to 6 units आप कर लोगे before the prelims. It is very much possible. I'm assuming, by the way, I'm assuming your prelims will be in the month of late July or August. Okay, so 5-6 unit का काम, and these will be tricky units, geomorphology, climatology, oceanography, physical geography का आपका हो जाना चाहिए. Then what you do is, we'll take a break. We all will take a break for that matter, because prelims के लिए हम चाहेंगे कि आपको 1 महीना time मिल जाए. Okay, get into prelims mode. Then after prelims, you'll come back, and if you have done well, continue with me. Okay, so it's like this. Right now it is June the 5th. June 16th को हम शुरू करेंगे, and hopefully by July 10 or so, I would have trained you into 5 to 6 units. July 10 से prelims तक we can have a kind of a short break. Approximately 1 month का break मिलेगा आपको, ताकि you can focus on your prelim preparation. And those who are not giving prelims, आपके लिए short चलता रहेगा. Okay. And then what you do is, after prelims, okay, आपका यहाँ पर निकलेगा prelim results. Between this, approximately you again have 1 month. I'll again try finishing 2 or 3 units here. 20 units, 20 का 20 आप नहीं कर पाओगे. I know this, but you have still done a fair amount of big units before your prelim results are out. Prelim results out, if you have qualified, so there are 2 possibilities. You have qualified for the mains, or you have not qualified. Not qualified guys, you will continue the way I'm teaching you. Those who have qualified, I'll shift you into what we call as the MSP program, Mains Support Program, where very aggressively for about 10-15 days, I will orient you for the main examination. इसमें कोई test नहीं होगा. I'll give you answers, I'll give you booklets, I'll cover all the important topics I think you need for the examination. So this is something like a crash course. You don't have to pay for it. आपने जो पूरा पेमेंट किया है उसी के एवज में हम आपको यहाँ शिफ्ट करा देंगे. Okay, so this is a strategy for those who are giving their main examination this year. Okay, so June 5th is today's orientation. June 16th is when we start. By July 10th, hopefully I would have covered 5 or 6 units. Okay, I'm looking at oceanography, environment, biogeography, time permitting, climatology, and even geomorphology. मैं कोशिश करूँगा खत्म कर दूँ without compromising too much of your content. So approximately 1 month में I'll try covering these areas. Okay, plus or minus some topics, of course. Then between, and if the government says the prelims is somewhere late July or early August में, आपको 1 month का approximate break मिल जाएगा. That's how they're adjusting. You'll get a break time, okay, so that your prelims preparation doesn't suffer. और ये break में those who are not giving prelims, I will have some other type of sessions with you guys. Okay, I will try to have some other type of engagement with you guys. Then after prelims, you again come back to me. Okay, देखो ये जो पूरा किया जा रहा है ना, this is because of the COVID times we live in. अगर COVID नहीं होता, तो बेटा ये सारा course would have been launched only after the prelims was over. So we are using this opportunity to gain some mileage over the others. That's the idea. Okay, so maybe next year this will not be our schedule. Okay, so this is one important date. This July 10th, 15th, एक और important date है. Your prelims is another important date. Okay, and I said this will be approximate 1 month of break. You will have approximately 1 month of break, where those who are giving the prelims, आप तो चुपचाप पढ़ाई करना prelims का, MCQ prep, whatever you are doing. And those who are not giving prelims, okay, I will have some alternate. We will have some alternate engagement. Okay, I'll keep you busy on this. And then after prelims and the prelims results, ये आपका prelim results आ गया. Okay, this is approximately 1 month time. If it goes the way we know. यहाँ पर I'll try covering another 2 or 3 units across maybe 7, 8 or 10 classes. I'll finish off this year. So by the time you are through with the results, I would have covered approximately 5, 6 units here, 2, 3 units here. कुल मिला के approximately half syllabus आपका cover हो जाएगा. And then what happens? Those who have not qualified, God forbid, जो qualify नहीं करेंगे, okay, for you guys, okay, we will continue as a part of the regular program. Okay, I'll finish the course for you. But those who have qualified, okay, those who qualify, okay, you will end up joining. I'll transfer you to MSP program. MSP program is Mains Support Program. Mains Support Program. This is also a paid course, but you will not have to pay anything. आपने join किया हुआ है. I'll directly transfer you here, and 10-15 days of intense classes करेंगे. We'll finish off whatever topics you need for the main examination. So this is the plan. Okay, one plan for those who are not giving the prelims will continue in one way, and those who are giving the prelims and hoping to qualify, you will have a slightly different path in which I will develop. Is it okay, all of you? Did I explain the strategy to all of you? Any questions you want me to clarify? And the date of the tests, the date of the tests, but I'm waiting for the announcement for today. I have not announced the detailed program because but हमें पता ही नहीं सरकार क्या change करने वाला है. Otherwise, generally, okay, MSP compromise topics. Yes, definitely, Vaishak. How can you cover everything in 15 days? MSP तो बहुत intense program होगा. हर दिन classes होंगे आपके. और 10-15 दिन में I'll want you to get ready with the examination. आपका मेरा entire aim है कि आप यहाँ पर mains ढंग से दे लो ना. So your preparation for the mains will not be same as those who are preparing for next year. Yahan put I'll accelerate for you guys here. I'll not say compromise, but you will have a bit of adjustments here. And that's understandable, right? Unless you have some other way of knowing, okay, how to add time to your kitty. Okay? So try to do something so that you can accelerate here. अगर आपने qualify नहीं किया, God forbid, फिर तो आपका अलग ही path है, chart है. I'll help you chart that out properly. Is it okay with you? Now, date of tests, I said, date of test I will announce a bit later after the government announcement. हमें कोई clarity नहीं है government कब क्या announce करने वाली है. What dates, what sessions, क्या time होगा. One guess that most of us have is maybe the time between the prelims and the mains will be squeezed dramatically. ये possibility है. Okay, so इसीलिए मैं कोई test dates announce नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ आपके लिए. Okay, I think the program is fine for all of you now. Is the understanding of the program clear, all of you? You want to ask some questions? You want me to clarify something? These sessions are not recorded sessions, okay? Some of you are probably assuming this are recorded hoga. Your sessions are live sessions plus some recorded videos ka support. So if you look at what I am providing you with, okay, ye pura program, okay, what am I providing you with? I'm providing you with live classes plus some recorded sessions honge, plus we will give you model answers, plus you will be given assignments, okay, and those who have joined tests, you also will have tests. Or doubt clearance ke liye, okay, beta, this is the medium that we have, and once in a while if we doubt what about hai to theek hai. Okay, you can all ask me on my message and mail also, but मुश्किल होता है समझाना doubts on a print medium. So whatever doubts you have, please ask me. Okay, while I'm teaching, okay, and that should suffice for most cases. By the way, I'm assuming all of you are on the Geography Telegram channel. Can somebody please type the Geography Telegram channel, please? Because that is where I will make all announcement. कब class है, क्या पढ़ना होगा, maybe मैंने upload किया है या नहीं किया है. ठीक है, you will get recorded sessions, Vinay. Okay, you'll get recording sessions, but recorded sessions you can view only on your Android app. Harshita Yadav, thank you so much, Harshita beta. Okay, so please, this is the link for Telegram channel. Those who have not joined, okay, you just have to Telegram में जाके search कर लेना Geography with Shabir. Okay, so on that channel we have all the other students also. It's an open channel, but I keep announcing anything I want you to know before the classes. Okay, so कब मैंने upload किया, कब class है. Okay, not teaching as such. I'm trying to develop a team where we can also consistently post some content also where you can start engaging with us. But मेरा team अभी बहुत ही छोटा है, nascent है. Okay, I can't get into too many things at the same time because then the quality will get compromised. Okay, so please be on the channel. आपका GS का भी channel है Telegram पे, so you can always refer to those channels. All done here. I move on with my next agenda. I've explained the intention, what is the program, and what we'll do. Next is, now listen, all of you, I expect you to have oceanography. I'm starting, by the way, your first जो test है, test number 1 जो है, the topics for test number 1 is, okay, yes, Mahesh, I just answered the same thing for Vinay also. You will get the recorded sessions, but you can view on the Android, and you have got limited number of views. You cannot view more than 2 rounds. Okay? So you will get that, definitely. Yes, Beta Siddhi Vinayak map sessions is not a part of enrichment, but I will support you with map ka videos. But for that, I want my app to be ready first. एक बार app ready हो गया मेरा, where I can share. though the time लग रहा है, it's just taking some time for me to share. Then I'll give all the map videos to you. We have close to around 30-40 videos okay, of 10-15-20 minute का आपका map उसमें cover हो जाएगा. Okay, so map is not a part of the program, but they're offering you maps also. So okay, you also have maps, but abhi nahi. Maps, okay. Maps will be entirely recorded videos. आप अपने तसल्ली से देखना, आपको जैसे देखना होगा. Recorded videos, okay, accessible on your Android device for now, and later iOS में भी करवा देंगे. So that's how the maps. Okay, I'll give it to you. In the last batch, we'll get it. Don't worry, I will not keep it with me there. Okay, so your topics for the first test. The first test topics include oceanography, biogeography, and environment geography. Biogeography, environment geography हम साथ कराएंगे more or less, and you require 2 textbooks. I will say 3 textbooks चाहिए आपको. One is oceanography by Savindra Singh. Second is environment geography by Savindra Singh. And a third one is you require Made Simple Part 1 of Rupa publication. Okay, PDF of environment geography. Suman, problem है ना, ये PDF सारा are all pirated versions. Okay, which on a formal platform like Edukemi, it becomes a legal issue if I share the PDF with you guys. Okay, it's a pirated one, which is not right, it is illegal, and I'm running an institute. We have some responsibilities here. The PDF version, okay, of the book from me, आपको formally देना impossible. Okay, so you will have to ask your friends. It's all there on the net. Okay, the books name are Oceanography, by Savindra Singh. Then you have got Environment Geography, again by Savindra Singh. And the third one is Rupa publication. Okay, Geography Made Simple. इसका part 1 चाहिए, part 1. Okay, so guys, these textbooks you need, but one of you is asking me for the PDF. Okay, yeah, PDF officially I can't share because beta I'm running a formal institute. We have some legal binding, we have some clause we must adhere by, और ये piracy है which I would not want to be seen as I'm encouraging. Okay, so ये आप लोग जुगाड़ करोगे. It's all there. Okay, honestly speaking, PDF is not the best way of studying. आपकी पढ़ाई best होगी when you have a hard copy with you. And बेटा आप लोग ना अभी जहां पर भी हो Amazon से order कर लो ना. Even if you have a book in Delhi रह गया है for whatever reasons, कितनी किताब आती है? 200-250 किताब कुल मिला के 400-500 रुपए की खर्चा है. Okay, why are you waiting कि कब जाओगे किताब लेके आओगे और पढ़ोगे? And PDF से पढ़ाई नहीं होगी. Trust me. PDF में you can't underline, you can't write notes detail में, you can't refer very easily, you can't turn the pages very easily. So अब तो आपका online okay खुल चुका है ना, So Amazon say it's a matter of 2 or 3 days, all the books can be ordered by another copy. जहां आप लाखों लाखों खर्च कर रहे थे बैठ के, ये अच्छा है कि spend another couple of thousand rupees and buy a second set of your textbooks. That's my recommendation. You all must have the physical book if you really want to study. PDF से पढ़ाई नहीं होती है. PDF reference के लिए ठीक है. It's okay for references. Okay, so these 3 textbooks I think you need for your preparation. Okay, and those who have been my students, you know, in the class also, I insist on opening the books, insist on opening the textbooks, seeing the pages. Bina kitab ke, your progress will not be substantial. Okay, so these are the reference books. Now, what I want is, in the next 10 days you have, आपके पास अभी 10 days है. We are starting on June the 16th. June 16th, I'm starting 10 days time. So I will want you to do some readings and some jottings. Is that okay, all of you? By the way, many of you, or rather some of you, are part of the GS program also that we have launched in collaboration with Chrome IAS. Okay? So your class starts at 11 o'clock, but I have requested the teacher at Chrome IAS to delay the class by 20-30 minutes. इसलिए परेशान मत हो. There's another 15 minutes. I'll be through with this orientation session. Okay. So those of you, some of you are here, but also part of the GS test series of Chrome IAS. आपके एक क्लास हो चुका है, third को शायद. आज second class है. Okay. So Bhagyashri, Chandrashikha. Okay. There's some of you, I think that 10-15 of you who are also part of that program there. कोई बात नहीं. So I've asked the teacher there to delay the course, the session for another 20 odd minutes, 20-30 minutes में तब तक हम खत्म कर लेंगे. Yes, Vijender. Okay. Let's get back to 10 days time में. I want you to do some readings. Okay. Okay. Fine. Fine. ठीक है. ठीक है. Now what I want is, let us start with oceanography. Now, if you look at the previous year's questions, अगर आपके पास, अच्छा, by the way, I hope all of you अगर नहीं भी है, get hold of one. Get a bank of previous year's questions. Okay. Any publication will do. Any publication will do. It doesn't have to be any one publication. आपको तो बस bank चाहिए. You can take a PDF and download and print also if you want to print. So keep the previous year's questions handy with you. And if you look at the questions of oceanography, last almost 8 साल हो गए, 8 years हो गए. 2012. Okay, when they last asked a proper conventional question, 2012 में, okay, you had this question about atolls. You had a question about the abyssal plains. Okay, otherwise, conventional questions they are not asking anymore. एक आध यहाँ वहाँ scattered होगा तो होगा. Or they have asked, of course, 2017 में they asked one of the Pacific Ocean OBR. But वो भी conventional नहीं मानेंगे. So in oceanography, okay, conventional topics, okay, not asked, and there is lot of focus on environment topics and focus on resources. Okay, environment resource. इसके लिए क्या करना होगा? You will have to look up, okay, couple of chapters of your oceanography. So आप लिख लो what chapter you go through. There is chapter, okay, number 15, 16. Chapter number, in fact, chapter number 14 onwards. In the oceanography textbook, chapter 14 onwards, the chapter on ocean habitats, there is a chapter on ocean, okay, biomes, ocean habitats, ocean biomes, something about marine productivity, okay, and something around marine resources. Okay, chapter number 14, this is 15, this is 16, and this is 17. These 4 chapters I want you to cover a bit more sincerely. इसमें सारा चीज नहीं करना है. Okay. Yeah, can you all concentrate here? Not all the pages. Okay. Write down the page numbers I'm suggesting. Page number 341, say 343, 346, 347, 350, 351. Okay. 358 में there is some write-up on wetlands. 372 में there is a write-up on marine biomes. Then do 385 and the discussions of 399. In totality, 20 pages. Can you write down the page numbers, please, all of you? 341, 343. Okay, 341, 43 में there's something on ocean habitats. Habitats. Okay, 346 and 347. Okay, this details a bit on what's called as benthic habitats. Benthic habitats. 350 and 51, okay, there is some discussion on what are estuaries. Okay, 358 में there is a write-up on what are wetlands. Wetlands, lagoons. 372, okay, 372 में you have something on types of marine biomes. Okay, types of marine biomes. Then 385, there's something called as hydrothermal vents. Hydrothermal vents and their impact on benthic life forms. Benthic life forms, 2 page में है. And then 399, it has something on marine productivity. Some discussions related to productivity. हालांकि productivity topic is also part of environment topic. Okay, but you can look this up. Then you have some discussions on page number 402. 402 में है patterns of net marine primary productivity. Patterns of net marine primary productivity. Page 402 से 405 तक है. 402 page 405 तक. Okay. Now that's important for resources chapter. In the resources chapter, page 418, 18 has marine biological resources. Marine biological resources. Kumar Bijender, okay, you have some chat there. Okay, I'll see. Am I also invited there, or it is only for the students? That's okay with me. If I'm invited there, you can send a link to me. Let me see what you guys are doing there. But ये आपका channel होगा, मेरा नहीं. ठीक है, Bijender? I am present there. ये कौन सा वाला है, Bijender? The one on the B1, B2 maps wala hai. Is that the one? Okay, okay. No, what I'll do is, in fact, we can have a closed group for this course itself. PDF are available there. Yes, you can do that. Yes. Okay, but my request है all of you. See, if you trust me as a teacher and if you use my experience well, okay, my experience is number one, don't join any group or channel which is not moderated by a teacher. Okay, या फिर टीचर अगर प्रेजेंट नहीं है उसमें और वो इंटरैक्ट नहीं कर रहा है, डोंट जॉइन दोस ग्रुप्स. ये टोटल वेस्ट ऑफ टाइम होता है. एंड यू शुड नो a channel run by a teacher and a channel run by an institute for their propaganda. वो अलग चीज है. Okay, so be careful. One. Number two, पढ़ाई आपकी बेटा पीडीएफ में नहीं होगी. अगर पढ़ाई करना है, स्टडी करना है, you need to have hard copies. पीडीएफ कन्वीनियंट है, but पीडीएफ से नोट्स बनाना मुश्किल है. And your textbooks should have lot of jottings also. So my suggestion to all of you is, please order a new set of these textbooks from Amazon online. या जिससे भी करना है करो, Amazon हो या Flipkart हो या whatever you want. Keep a physical set. अगर डबल पैसा खर्च भी हो गया because you have one set already, doesn't matter. This investment is worth it. Okay, all of you. So this is your reading. आपको करना क्या है? रंजन, प्रिंटआउट्स में जो खर्च होगा ये 200-250 पेजेस के किताब है. आपका प्रिंटआउट में जो खर्च होगा ऑलमोस्ट उतना ही खर्च में आपके नए बुक्स आ जाएंगे. ठीक है? एंड अ बिट मच बेटर प्रिंट. Okay. So nobody will give a printout of less than ₹1 के या 50 पैसे के. तो वैसे ही आपका ₹150 खर्च होने वाला है. ठीक है? So suggestion, Rajan, that's your choice. Rajan, sorry. Okay, now what you must do with this is, don't simply read. Okay, you will have to make notes. And when I say notes, please summarize. By the way, in this group, there are some of you who are there for only tests. Can you tell me who are you? Who are not in enrichment. There are only test guys. The guys only for the test. Okay. So what we will do is, yeah, Rishabh is only test. Okay. Now आपका class शुरू होगा, okay, June 16th में, you'll have a separate Zoom link, not this link. This link gets deactivated today itself. It's over. June 16 के क्लास के लिए you'll have a separate link. You must again register, but only those who are enrolled for the enrichment classes. Those who are enrolled for the test series will not get access to that. Okay, so वहां पर I will share lot of model answers. Those who have joined only tests, बेटा आपको मिल चुका है model answers. I will not give model answers again. So the model answers, if you remember the chart I had shared with you, model answers, those who have joined only tests, you will get model answers for the test questions alone. But the baki practice hai, okay, you will not get that. Only enrichment students will get that. So you need to summarize, and I will share some material with you. I will share some material with you. ठीक है? So this is your work for the next 10 days. I'll support you in this next 10 days. June 16th is when we are starting, 10 a.m. June 16th we are starting at 10 a.m. Yes, you can, Himanshu. If you have been my student, so these are topics I do not do in the regular classes because मैंने कहा ना ये additional, ये advanced contents हैं. Okay, so if you have been a part of some other course जहाँ पढ़ाया गया है, please go ahead. That's perfectly fine. Okay, so you need to have, but किताब खोल के आपको notes बनाना ही होगा. Yes. Yes, if you have those notes, you can add, not a problem. ठीक है? Doubt sessions के लिए अलग से तो हम plan नहीं करते हैं. I do it as a part of the class, but if you need अलग से session, I can arrange that. Not a big deal. some topics we have touched, but not all topics, Himanshu. Okay, so जो है class notes में, please go ahead. You can use it. Is that it, all of you? All pages. Okay. This is the list, beta. If you have not joined, here is the list. Okay, maybe one of you can type this. Vinay, 8, 9 is not possible because most students are not comfortable with that time. Okay, so 10 शुरू करेंगे हम. And if all of you want to start early, if all give me a go ahead, I can advance it. But officially, we have declared 10 a.m. So right now, I will not change the time without taking everybody else's permission. So all of you say 9 a.m. is okay, 100%, then I can advance the time. Yes, you will get, Rajan, you will get model answers of some of the previous year's questions also. Okay, इसमें poll नहीं होगा, Harish, because I have promised the course at 10 a.m. So 100% of you must say, we want it advanced, I will do it. Okay, not a big deal. Okay, because then I think छुट्टी का time है, most of you are sleeping late, you get up a bit late. Okay, so that's the reason why, okay, you're reluctant to start a bit early. मेरे तो अच्छा ही है, I can start off early if I want to start off. But for now, it is 10 a.m. So that's about it, guys. Whatever I had to discuss, we can cover them also. But इतना बहुत है. 10 days में, like effectively you study not more than 6 days, 6 or 7 days. 6-7 days में to read all of this and make notes. This is good enough amount of work. So do not spread yourself thin beyond this. Okay? Each class is approximately 2.5 hours. I try to keep it 2 hours. It might stretch to another 20, half an hour, okay, or so. Okay, Vijender will do that. If you need some extra sessions for interactions, we'll do that, not a problem. But my request to all of you is, better live classes may try to be present. Do not depend on the recorded sessions because my experience tells me better recorded sessions में पढ़ाई नहीं हो पाती है. Okay, बेटा किताब आपको 2 दिन में मिलेगा भाग्यश्री. आप ऑर्डर तो करो आज. Okay, 2 दिन में all the books are being delivered. And if you are in Delhi, Rajendra Nagar, you can walk out and buy the books from the bookstall also. अगर किताब आपका कहीं छूटा हुआ है तो. Okay, so 10 days में इतना काम बहुत है. Okay, and geography is not the only thing you're working on. Do a bit of GS also. इतना ही काम करो. We'll start off with oceanography on June the 16th. ठीक है? So that's for today. Unless you have to ask me something, can we now move on then? Yes, Chandrashikha. So guys, thank you so much for joining in. And I must repeat this. You guys are very special in many ways. One important is you are my first geography batch in the new institute called Educemi. Okay, you are the first geography batch. So for a long time, I think I'll cherish this batch. You know, it's like the first baby that you have. Okay, the first. Okay, last Vajiram ka to ho chuka. That's over. No. First geography batch. Essays to ho chuka hai. ठीक है. Geography is my main say expertise. Essays तो हम कराते हैं, okay, but geography is where my heart is in some extent. So geography का batch ये पहला batch है, geography enrichment test series, and I hope to have more courses eventually. So thank you so much for reposing faith in me. Thank you for trusting me to join me, and I hope I can do justice to expectations also. You are the gems, definitely. Okay, so yes, last batch Vajiram geography. Okay, and you are the first of the geography in Educemi. So Ankit, you have got double relationship with me in some ways. ठीक है? चलो. So bye all of you. Take care. Study well. All of you join that Telegram channel. I'll keep you posted on all our developments. Right? Okay then. Bye. Take care. Bye.